In today's video, I'll take you on a walking tour of the famous fish market in Busan, South Korea. Hello, I'm Phil Ernest, and this is the fish market in Busan. This is a pet store here in Busan. Look at this dog, non-stop. These two dogs have been going at it, non-stop, running back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. The whole time I've been here, trying to get to each other. Don't realize that it's a glass that they can't get out. Here's another little guy just starting his day. And then another little guy. So the little dogs are starting to wake up here in Busan. Interesting, little tiny little puppies here, waking up, starting their day. So somewhere around here has got to be the fish market. Let's see if I stumble across. Let's see, yep, I see some fish over here, so we're getting close to the fish market. Nice, look at that. Let's see what it looks like in here, if there's anything happening. So, all right. All kinds of things. Wow, look at this. Whoa, take a look at this. Look at this. All kinds of stuff here. Live in the swimming. Look at this guy's half dead. Some eels. Sea urchins. Wow. Really impressive. All these live fish, more sea urchins here. Octopus next door. This is something new and different. They're hanging their fish. Look at that. All these fish being hung up, facing the sun, maybe to dry out. They got a whole racks and racks and racks of them, just drying out here. So let's see what else we see in this busy fish market. It's a little bit after 8 o'clock on a Friday morning, and the fish market is in full swing. I mean, look at this thing. Wow, what are these? Look at that. Octopus, I guess that's octopus. And then they got slabs of this. Look at these long fish here. Whole lot of stuff. You never know what you'll quite see when you enter these fish markets. I was the one in Japan, and it wasn't as out in the open as this one is. That one was a little bit more enclosed. Oh, so now I'm seeing these fish are frozen. Look how stiff they are. She picks it up. See that? She's starting to thaw them out and put them in the sun as they thaw out for the, see how stiff as a board that they are? So that's something new and different right there. So all these fish are getting ready to be sold after being frozen, and they're just laying them out now on the racks. And these are the type of fish that were hanging right here. So now, I guess after they've hung and they put them out on these little bins ready to be sold, here they are washing down the octopus. Never a dull moment in the fish market. You'll always see something you had never seen. Look at these fish dried out and ready to be sold. Wow, really nice. Look at this guy's little cart. This guy's ready to go. He's got everything, water, cups, all kinds of things that he'd need to run his shop. And these are the big ones right here. These are the live fish. Can't get any fresher than this. Look at these big striped fish right here. Wow. This guy here, he's got things out already. Looks like these are already cooked and ready to be eaten. So he's got his little restaurant here going as he's giving a little bath right there. Look at that. Fish getting a nice little scrub down. If you wonder what they're cooking with here, this is the rockfish soup is what they use that for, and a roast, abalone, so octopus, and some more fish that have already been cooked and ready to be eaten. Right there. Oysters, clams. Open. I'm told by 9 o'clock they should all be opened and in full force. Here's some of that striped fish that was swimming around. Look at all these dried fish here, very small ones, Saw some of these in Tanzania. They're quite salty, and the salt water ones that come from the salt water are salty. And look at them, all in there dried out. They eat those just like little chips, just crunchy little treat. Under here they have a little bit more of a better selection. They got, see, these are covered up with umbrellas, so gives the lighting a little different look to it. So these are clams. I got the prices here. 5,000 won is about $4, and 10,000 right there. These are the clams right here. In case you're wondering about the size of this fish market, I've been walking this strip now for over 100 meters, and it's still going on. Here we go, some early morning cooking action happening. Look at that. Bean sprouts, fish happening, cooking right there over the grill, boiling in the pot, fish soup. Look at this lady trying to pry them off from being frozen right here. All of these fish are frozen. She's got the knife, picking them out one by one, putting them into the bowl. Look at that, all of those guys. That's a tough job right there. You could almost spend a full day here visiting every single little stand and getting to really know this place a lot better. I finally figured this out. I've been seeing these fishes. This is those fish that has to be cut precisely or you could be poisoned. And so very delicate type of fish here that has to be prepared properly or you could die from it. It would be poisonous. Takata fish, I believe. I haven't seen too many places selling shrimp. This is the jumbo shrimp here. Look at that. So this guy's got the jumbo shrimp going. Not too many places around here are selling it for whatever reason or have it. So that guy's got it. Let's see what else I can find here. Look at these. Oh wow, they stripped these guys' whole bodies off and just left the head. If you're finding this video informative, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to receive more of this informative content, please subscribe to the channel. I wonder, how do they keep these things frozen? Look at this big, huge freezer she's got here. It looks like a bank vault. And when they put all those, just store all those fish in there. Maybe she'll, see, here comes some more stuff, racks of it out. So they do have quite a bit of freezers. Here's her freezer space here. And then, so they do have all their freezers in the back there now that I'm taking a little closer look at it. And then more jumbo shrimp. So now we've come into the little shrimp area. See those great big freezers? Look at that. Look at this guy's designed a little thing to keep the flies away. Look at that. Around and around it goes. So some Korean ingenuity here. Just to show you how close we are to the ocean here. Look at this. Right here. Here's the ocean opened up. And this is the Busan Ocean. You can see from this area here. Wow, look at this. Pretty nice. There's the skyscrapers. There's the Busan Tower right there. And so this fish, no doubt, is pulled out of this waters and brought right here to these markets early in the morning. Every day. Just to give you an idea on how big this fish market is, it started over there and it continues along here, wraps around here, and then continues way on over there going. So this is actually a lot bigger than I even anticipated when I first came here with all the fish. Here comes some more fishermen bringing in fresh fish caught early this morning. So this is where they have all their fish racks. Look at these guys fish over here, right across from the water there. All their fish being dried out, and then when they're finished drying them out, then they bring them up center stage out here. This appears to be pork skin right here, boiling pot. Look at that. Early morning fish for breakfast. More cooking here. Look at this lady, what she's got. I don't know what those are. Maybe seaweed? She's picking through it. A whole lot of stuff there. This is pretty neat. An old-time stove here cooking. It's got its own little thing cranking out. So this is pretty interesting. Just when you think you reach the end of this long 200-meter strip, you can turn that way and go there, or you could turn left and continue going on here. And now we're getting into the plant section and some more fish here. So as you can see, This is why this place is listed as one of the top 3 things to do. Look at these big chilies and peppers here. This is why this is listed as one of the top 3 destinations to visit in this area, the fish market in Busan. Look at this lady here preparing the pork. It looks like she's wrapping it back and forth. Putting it, in plastic. See that? Oh, look at that. How nice. She's got the saran wrap. And then she cuts it, and then she will preserve it. So now we're done, it looks like, with the fresh fish stuff, and now we're getting more into the markets of people selling things. Cooked food already. That's pretty much it with this fish market. It does continue on, and you will not be bored looking for fish here.
If you would like to see my other videos on South Korea, please click on the link now. Thank you so much for watching.